You're watching shestaytv. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of shestaytv. As you can tell by the title of the video, today your girl is chefing it up. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm cooking until like I have all my ingredients and I get back in the house and in the kitchen and do all that good stuff. So I don't have all the ingredients that I need. So right now I'm about to go into Publix so I can go grocery shopping for the few things that I am missing. So you guys are gonna tag along with me. So let's go.
I get so many beautiful women hollering at me on a daily basis. I can't reply to all of them.
Yes, you can. All you gotta do is turn around and say, hey.
You know what I'm saying? Look, I can't even go out without putting hit on. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, it is officially nighttime. The current time is 10 o'clock at night. I was supposed to cook my food, but it's okay. I had other stuff I had to do. So now we're gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, that was the oven. I was preheating it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some stuff up. I have all like my ingredients and stuff out and the pans and the pots and stuff out. Oh, I'll tell you guys what I'm making now. I'm making spaghetti. It is the quickest, easiest, simplest meal that anybody can make. So come along with me as I make spaghetti. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is fresh my produce. This is the only like produce like I really got just to add some little flavor to my spaghetti. So that's what we're gonna do now. I got an onion too. I'm not really an onion girl. Don't really like onions like in my food. So I'm just gonna take half of the onion and like chop it up in small pieces as much as possible. And I'm gonna just throw the other half out. So one trick I did learn about when you're cutting the onion, wet a paper towel so your eyes like won't run, because you know, I guess like the onion does something with, I don't know. I just know that putting a wet paper towel next to an onion helps with not having your eyes water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, everything is chopped up now. So now I'm just waiting for the pan to heat up so I can go ahead and throw my meat onto the pan, and then I'm gonna season it while the meat is heating up on the pan. And then I'll add these just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, the meat is brown enough, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add what I chopped up into the pan. Now we'll add a little bit more seasoning just to give it a little bit more flavor since I put the vegetables in. Not too much, not too much. Another fun tip is putting a little bit of salt in the water as it boils, like for your noodles, so it can cook a little faster. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and go ahead and start the water because the meat's not gonna take that long. And also, y'all, you can season your food any way you want. You can make it spicy, non-spicy, any way you want. Do it how you feel. You can put as much as you want, less as you want, anything. While that is cooking, I'm gonna start my croissants. So I'll show you guys what I do with my croissants and what little sauce, my secret sauce, what I put on top of them. So, because I know people usually eat spaghetti with garlic bread, but we're doing something different with Cooking with Tay. Okay, I am finished with that now. I'm nice and pretty. So now we're gonna make my secret sauce. That's not so secret no more since y'all know. But trust me, it's good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some butter. And really, I don't have no like certain amount that I put. I just kind of like scoop it. Back in a little bowl. I can use more. Just throw those in there. That's good. Okay, next, some vanilla extract. And again, don't really measure it, just kind of put as much as I feel. Don't need a lot, but you know. And then sugar. Now I'm not gonna put too much of this because I don't need a lot of sugar, and we don't want the sauce like too sweet, but just enough. Ooh, not even too much. It's okay though. Alright, so just those three basic ingredients. And next we just pop it in the microwave for maybe about 30 seconds, a little less than that. Okay, this is how it should look once it's out the microwave. Once you heat it up, just take your spoon, you're gonna mix it real good. Okay, once I finish with them, I'm going to pop them in the oven. It says on the like instructions to put it in for like 9 to 12 minutes, but I still want them to be like golden but still very soft. So I'm probably gonna put them in. I'll do it for like 12 minutes because I still want the little crunch with it too. So okay, Okay, while everything is kind of still like cooking down and I'm waiting for the water to boil so I can put my noodles in there and the croissants are in the oven, I am gonna wash some dishes so I'm cooking while I'm cleaning, you know, keep my area cleaned. But while I do that, let me know in the comment section which meals y'all like to cook that's easy, quick, straight to the point, no hassle, no extra stuff whatsoever. Okay, so my water is boiling, so now I'm going to put the noodles in the water. Hot, 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 hot. I'm not gonna put too much because it's really just gonna be me eating it. So just put them like this and snap them. Put them in the water. So not too much, not too much. Okay, the croissants are done. The oven just beat, so now I'm gonna take them out. Okay, y'all just saw me drain the noodles, so now I'm just kind of like finishing up like the final touches with my spaghetti, tying it all together. Now I know a lot of people are against this, but I put a little sugar like on top of my spaghetti just to add like that final touch. I don't know, I've been doing this since I was young and I have no problem with this. So let me know if y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti. Not too much. Not too much. Alright, that is all I have for today's episode. So thanks for tuning in with me and cooking with me. This is such an easy meal to make that I make it all the time for myself. So let me know in the comment section which quick meal you like to make. And y'all know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on those post notification bells so you won't miss a thing. I see you guys in the next episode.